Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vongai, blah blah. We're not doing that today. Anyway, in today's video I am rocking straight hair that I got from a hair company called Hairvivi.com. You guys, I've been eyeing this company for the longest time because their hair is super amazing, and I've seen my friend rocking one of her wigs that she got from this website and I was in awe. Their wigs come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything is done. So the only thing that you need to do is take the wig, cut the lace and put it on your head and you're good to go. So anyway, in this video I am rocking this straight hair that I got from them, and I just wanted to show you guys and go back to the basics and show you how you can melt that lace into your scalp and how you can create sort of like an illusion scalp and make it like it's your own hair when it's actually not. Like, we gotta fake it till we make it. Anyway, so if you do want to watch how I laid my hair, then just keep watching this video. And if you do like the video and if you're going to like it, please give it a thumbs up. I'm also going to have a discount code in my description box. Please check it out if you would like to purchase from them. And also remember that I also get to make money if you do purchase from their website. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So when the hair arrived, it came in this lovely box, blue box with a ribbon. Of course, at this point in time I had already used my wig. I had already cut the lace, but inside the box was the wig that was protected with a plastic cover, as well as 2 pins which you're going to see me use in this video to clip my hair on the sides. So when I'm talking about good quality hair, I am talking about this kind of hair. This hair was so good. It feels so good, so sleek, so nice. And you can see like the knots came bleached and done already. I didn't do anything to them. The parting was customized and they look like your scalp. Even before you do apply the wig, it looks like a scalp. And you can see I'm comparing it to another curly wig that I also have, that I received, that just came as it was. It's not bleached, it's not plugged, nothing. And you can see the big difference, like when you compare the wigs side to side, there is a total big difference. So this is what I mean when I say a wig comes like done, like prepared and done. And also the wig has a double lace. It is padded, and that means that your lace is protected and it's not going to rip or it's not going to burn when you try to iron it. At the back of the wig also was like an adjusting elastic band, which is like just extra for you to fasten the wig properly on your hair, as well as adjusting clips that come standard with every other wig. This wig also comes with pins that you can dip into your scalp if you want to hurt yourself. But all I'm saying is that you're not going to find this wig on the streets. Like, you're not going to pick it on the streets. So what I like to do is I just like to tint my lace. This is not mandatory, but you know, you can do it if you like your wig to look very natural. Also, with this wig, you're not really supposed to do that. But anyway, my wig cap was like white, and I'm not white. I am like dark skin, so I had to paint it. I had to put foundation on it just so that it matches with my wig. So I'm just going ahead and I'm combing my wig just to make sure that it's sleek and there are not knots in the hair. And as you can see, the back of the wig is fastened just so that my hair stays nicely put on my head. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just pulling my hair and measuring where it's actually gonna sit, because you want to see this before you start laying it, otherwise your wig is gonna sit askew. So that's just what I do. I check the sides and see if the lace is in alignment with my hairline, as well as where my ears start, as well as where my falsies end. So before you start securing your wig with the got2b glue gel, what you want to do is you want to comb it backwards and secure the back using pins, whatever pins that you have at your disposal are the ones that you use. Lucky enough, when the wig came, like I showed you in the beginning, it came with this clip-in pins, so that's what I'm using. So you want to secure it at the back, and you want to make sure that there are no flyaways, because those flyaways are the ones that are going to stick onto the perimeter of your hairline and distract you when you start laying the wig. So make it a point that your hairline is clean. I spray water on it. You can spray water or you can use mousse, but I don't want to use mousse because I'm going to apply some more as well later on at a later stage in the video. So I just use water because then there is no extra product that is being added onto my hair. So the hair and the water is going to help lay down the flyaways. So then I just go ahead and apply my got2b glue gel that I also sell and that my friend is also selling. I just apply it on the perimeter of my hairline. You can see I'm not putting it on my hairline because this thing will snatch your edges will be gone. So I make sure that it's the perimeter of my hairline. Then I go ahead and I start spraying as well the got2b spray. Not that you can use the got2b spray on its own to secure your wig, or you can also use the got2b gel on its own to secure your wig. I'm just doing extra stuff because I can, because I have the product, and also because I just want my wig to stay on for longer. Then you can blow dry it, or you can use a page. I just grabbed a page and I blew my hairline. Then go ahead, pull the hair, and then stick it on to the glue, to the product that you've applied, and then go ahead and use your scarf or your whatever to just secure the wig. I like to leave my scarf for like 5 or 10 minutes depending on how early or late I am to wherever I'm going, but I like to leave it on for long because the more you leave it on for long, the more your hair gets secured. And there you have it, guys. My hair is laid, it's slayed, it's banging, that is a fake scalp, honey. I really like how this hair came out. The reason why also it looks like natural hairline is because it was pre-plugged. If hair is not plugged and is not bleached, it's not gonna look like that. Then I go ahead again with my mousse, which I absolutely love. I get this one brand from Discam, and it's the one that I've just been using and going for all the time because it does the job, it does the things. Then I just put it on my hair. The reason why we put mousse on hair is so that we can get rid of those flyaways. Now I'm just combing with my comb and making sure that everything is intact and smooth and sleek and clean and fake as possible. Because we're dealing with straight hair, it needs to be slicker than a snake. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my flat iron. This flat iron, I got it from Clicks. It's really not the best, you know, the best out there, but if you're looking for something affordable that can do the job, then get yourself this. I then just go ahead and then I keep straightening the hair. This was not necessary because my hair was already like straight, but I wanted it to be extra, so that I just went back with the flat iron and I straightened my hair once more. Don't get used to flattening and straightening your hair all the time and putting heat on it, because then it's gonna shade just like your natural hair. The wig will start shading a lot if you use too much heat. So avoid doing this. Like, try to do it maybe in 3 days or 4 days, like that. Just try to wear your hair without ironing it so much. So there you have it, guys. I really love this wig, and I love the texture and the quality. It's a little bit pricey, but I would say if you are really looking into investing, you know, into a good wig and something that is done and already, you know, treated and colored and plugged and everything done, then go ahead and get this wig for yourself. I love you guys for watching me today, and I will see you in my next tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye.
mwana